Hi guys, it's me here, Chocolate Madness. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on Excel. So I'm gonna click Create Blank Workbook. Good. Now, today I will show you how to plus, how to add in Excel. First of all, I'm gonna write name. Then here I'm gonna write marks because I am doing like it is for a paper. And remarks like this. Okay, now name. You can put any name, any mark, any remarks, your choice. It's your choice to put the remark and the name, but I'm putting this so you can see even how does it work. So first of all, I will write Mira. What about Zoe? What about Mark? What about Anya? And uh, and Nino. See here, I'm we're gonna do a five digit. I mean, five columns. Here we're gonna write the marks. Here we're gonna write Mira's marks were from 30. She got 29. Zoe got 19. Mark, because we're gonna plus everybody's score, not just one person's. We're gonna plus everybody's total score from the test that was 30. This is not anything. You can put random numbers if you want. We can even do addition to plus everybody's marks or any number. So 29, 29, 19, 30, 30, and 28. Okay, now now for the remarks. Good, excellent, good, not excellent, better, excellent, 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 excellent. We can also change our text from here if you want. Here, like I will click here and then I can write mm, excellent, good. Wait a second, good. Now we have all of these set up. Now we're gonna write here. After Nino, we're gonna write total. Oh, total. And then here we're gonna write. Now this is the important part. It's mandatory we need to put the equals to and then sum because we are plus because we're gonna do plus. We have a lot of options. I mean a lot. But we're gonna pick sum. We're gonna X this. See this plus sign? We're gonna put it in here as you can see. Then we're gonna select all numbers. Here we're gonna put shift, and here we're gonna put the other bracket. And now we're just gonna press enter. Our answer is 136. Total is 136. Everybody's marks combined. I will name. Now, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.